All right, I'm going to call it that the stream has stopped flowing. All the water that was in here yesterday, which wasn't much, is gone now. And, I mean, maybe there's a little trickle, but not enough for me to call it. Not even flowing. Because we were supposed to get a thunderstorm the other day, but we never did. Supposedly we'll get one later this week. Probably never will. Very curious to see how it'll look tomorrow. Maybe we'll get some rain tonight or something. We don't get rain when we're supposed to, but we'll probably get rain when we're not supposed to. Be a very cool video though, if it did. So, frog right over here that just jumped in. Somewhere over there. This little part that loops around. And the green part.